it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview of our January 2025 Zoom class. With Zoom classes, there is a die requirement. So in this case, 4 of our favorite dies: the tag book pop-up, baking borders, love charms, and baking charms. For card 1, we will make a Valentine's Day card. This combines the tag book with the love charms along with some wonderful new papers from Echo Park. So this is going to be a bit of an alternate assembly of that tag book, which would typically make a tag-shaped card. So this one's going to be a rectangular card with that tag book installed. Card number 2 is also going to be an alternate assembly. So this one's going to use the tag book with those baking items to make a Happiness is a Warm Cookie card. So definitely a lot of change up here in the pop-up. So I love to do that with classes, just kind of take those mechanisms and figure out what else we can do with them. The pattern papers for this card are from Cartabella. January Zoom kits are being made exclusively by participating stores, and you can find a list of stores on our website, KarenBurniston.com. Click on the Events tab. To participate in this class, you do need the 4 required dies, and there are a couple of ways that you can get those if you don't have them already. If you don't own any of them, then definitely your best value is to bundle those with your paper extra and instructions kit and buy it as one big kit. If you already own some or all of the required dies, then you can purchase just the paper extras and instructions. But just to make clear, you do need the 4 required dies to participate in this class. The kits themselves are going to be bulk materials that you will then cut into a ready-to-assemble kit for class day. Now, how do you do that? About 10 days before class, you will get an email from the store where you purchased your kit. That will include the very detailed PDF instructions as well as a link to a prep work video. And you're going to follow that video and those instructions along with me to prep your kit. And that just has to be done by class day if you're joining the live Zoom. If you cannot make the live Zoom or you can't stay for the whole thing, it's no big deal. We will have it recorded and then that link will be sent out to the students after class. In the same email that will deliver you the prep work, will deliver you the Zoom login information. And for this class, that's going to be on January 25th, 2025, starting at 11 a.m. Central. So if you're interested, head on over to KarenBurniston.com, click on the Events tab. You will find a list of stores that are selling kits for this class, and I hope to see you there.